Hi, thank you for watching today's snapshot video. The focus is going to be the oil market. We're sitting just below 3-month highs in Brent crude, and we've got oil inventories data later today, and it's going to be an important piece of information in the light of the storms that have hit the US recently. Obviously there's going to be some disruption to supply. That's in a context of where OPEC have just come out and said that actually global oil supplies have dropped in the last month. That's actually the first time that's happened in 4 months. So it seems like the supply picture is improving for the bullish outlook in oil. And I think added to that, we had a big slide after that last OPEC meeting, but oil wasn't able to push down into new lows. We basically held the 45 level. So I think some confidence is coming back into the market. We're actually at a pretty critical price juncture here. So I'm gonna have a look at the price chart and show you what I think could happen from here. So here's the daily candlestick chart for Brent crude, as you can see. Now, we've been held by this downsloping trend line really since the start of the year, and it's given the market a slight bearish bias. But this is the big dip that we talked about subsequent to the last OPEC meeting. But here's the 45 level that we held. It's in line with these previous lows in November. And we've rallied up to the trend line since. And more recently, we broke out of this trading range here. We pushed up to this declining trend line, in fact, to the previous peak in May. And now we're pulling back again. We've successfully retested this range, and now we're pushing back up into the declining trend line. So it's starting to look like an upside breakout. Now, maybe this is going to be limited by the prior price range. So, you would think a target would be around the sort of 48 level were we to maintain this price range, but nonetheless, it does kind of dispel this bearish bias. So again, we're going to have a look at this US inventories data to see whether we can actually break out from this. Basically, the 55 level in Brent is what we're trying to break here. Okay, thank you for watching this snapshot video today. We're of course looking at the oil market. We're looking at a potential break of 55 in Brent should today's inventories data go accordingly. That's in a context of some improving supply data. Now, if you did enjoy today's video, please make sure to follow LCG on social media. That includes Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube.